Finding the automatic scrolling annoying during long conversations? Here's how to disable auto scroll on Grok AI easily. Let's get started. While inside the chat window, click on Settings or Options icon, usually a small gear icon. Then find the option labeled Auto Scroll. It might be under Chat Preferences or Display Options. Switch Auto Scroll off. Now you'll stay wherever you manually scroll. No more automatic jumping to the latest messages. Grok AI isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to stay current with what's trending, answer with personality, and even help you draft tweets or analyze posts on the fly. It's AI with an extra attitude. And that's it. Your chats are now fully under your control without unwanted auto-scrolling. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.